So students, this is the part second of the chapter, The White Elephant by Ruskin Bond. So when a white elephant listened the voice of a man in distress, means the man that is who is in urgent need, but his mother denied him, but his mother advised him to not go there. But the white elephant could not bear to think of anyone in trouble. White elephant किसी को देख ही नहीं सकता था trouble में. Trouble means in problem. And he hurried down to the lake in the direction of the cries. मतलब जिधर से चीखने की आवाज़ आ रही थी, जिधर से उस मैन की आवाज़ आ रही थी that is in need, he moves in that direction. When he discovered a man who was a forester, means where he discovered a man who was a forester. So when he went there, जहाँ से आवाज़ आ रही थी और जो चिल्ला रहा था बहुत बुरी तरह से that he is in help, he is in help. And when the white elephant went there, what did he found? He found that the man who was crying, he was a forester. Forester means the person who live in forest. Okay. So what the white elephant said him? Don't fear me, stranger, he said. Tell me how I can help you. So this man, when he saw the first time he saw this white elephant, he got very afraid. ये बहुत डर गया था white elephant को देखकर. But the white elephant replied, don't fear me. There is no need to fear with me. Okay, tell me, how can I help you? मेरे को बताओ आप मैं किस तरह से आपकी help कर सकता हूँ. White elephant said to this forester. The forester told the white elephant that he had been lost for 7 days and nights and could not find his way back to Benares where he lived. So now the forester explained his problem to this white elephant that he has lost his way. He has lost his way for 7 days. उसको 7 दिन हो गए हैं and nights. And he could not find his way back. उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मेरे को अपने घर बनारस कैसे जाना है वापस. उसको रास्ता ही नहीं दिख रहा था वहाँ पर जाने का. So that's why this forester is in need of help and he needs help. So what the white elephant replied here? Climb on my back, said the elephant cheerfully. Cheerfully means happily. And I will carry you home. Means कि आप मेरे पीछे बैठ जाओ. Sit on my back and I will carry to your home. Don't worry. So here the white elephant carried the man swiftly through the forest until they reached the open country. Open country means the open place, out of the forest. से तब वो बाहर निकल गए. उसको बहुत आराम से white elephant लेकर गया. Then he felt him on the outskirts of the city. Outskirts means bordering areas. उसको forest के बाहर छोड़ दिया before returning to his cave. And when he dropped that man there, then he returned to his cave. But the forester was greedy and cunning man. He knew that the king's favorite elephant had died. So now this forester, we will came to know about the nature of this forester. He is too greedy. वो बहुत लालची था. He was cunning, बहुत चालाक था. Okay, he knew that the king's favorite elephant had died. उसको पता था कि जो राजा है, जो king है, उसका favorite elephant की death हो चुकी है. And obviously तब death हो गई है, so king needs another elephant, right? And this is the kind of white elephants. This is so beautiful. So what the forester thought here, that I must take this elephant with me to the king. Okay, so this is the part second of this video. Next part I will cover in next video. Thank you for watching this video.